almost over and the summer's coming, the days are getting long. I waited all